Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Instant Pot Pancake Bites. Hi, I'm Karen Peterson and I write Instant Pot recipes and share them with you every week here on YouTube and every day on my blog, 365daysofcrockpot.com. If you'd like to receive daily recipes from me, you can sign up for my email and I will put the link right above. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Instant Pot Pancake Bites. These are delicious and super fun to eat. Kids and adults love these pancake bites. We will take 1 egg and whisk it together with 1/3 cup powdered sugar. Now, if you have another pancake batter recipe that you love, then you can use that one. This one is my favorite pancake recipe, and it's been in our family cookbook for many years. It's called Sunshine Pancakes, and they're just really yummy. And I don't know if it's the addition of the powdered sugar that makes them so good, but they are really yummy. So you just mix that together really well. And earlier I kind of half melted a 1/4 cup of butter. You can melt it all the way if you want. I just didn't want it to explode in my microwave, so I grabbed it out before it bubbled and burst all over the place. Add that in. And then we have a cup of milk that we're going to add in. And then I measured out my dry ingredients and put them in here. It's just 1 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/8 teaspoon of salt. We'll add that in. And then I like to throw just a little bit of vanilla for flavor, about 1 teaspoon. Okay, once that's whisked together, there'll be still lumps in it, and that's okay, but pretty whisked. You'll take your silicone egg bite molds, we're using it for pancakes today, and you will spray them with a nonstick cooking spray. Add in 2 tablespoons of batter into each of the molds. That comes out perfectly for 2 of these egg bite molds. If you only have 1, you can half the recipe and just fill up 1. To prevent drippage, condensation from dripping down onto your pancake bites, use foil just to cover them. Now, a lot of people ask me this question whenever I use these egg bite molds. They say, mine came with a lid. Can I use the lid instead of foil? And my answer is it depends, because some of them are made out of silicone, and those would be fine and heat proof, but if they're made of plastic, they would melt. And so you just have to know what you have and then decide if you want to risk it or not. You wouldn't want to put plastic in the Instant Pot. It would definitely melt all over your pancake bites. Add 1.5 cups of water into the Instant Pot and then lower these down. Now, I like to use this trivet. It's the OXO brand, and I will link to it in the notes below. I got it on Amazon, and it works really nice to just do this pot and pot method. And then put the lid on. Make sure valve is sealed, and then pressure cook or use the manual button, depending on what model you own, and set it to 14 minutes on high pressure. When the time is up, you can do a quick release or wait 5 to 10 minutes and then do a quick release. I'm going to just do one now. You take a plate and then you invert it upside down like that. And then you can kind of be careful, they're hot, but you can use your thumbs to kind of pop them out. And lift it off. And you have your beautiful, perfect pancake bites. Put a little syrup on them. I'll show you what they look like on the inside. They're fluffy and delicious. I hope you like these pancakes as much as we do. And if you like my shirt, you can now order it. If you're on the YouTube app, you just go down below and you'll see this shirt. You can just click on it and get it for yourself. Because I know that you know it's not Instapot, it's Instant Pot. So we will see you next week. Until then, go ahead and sign up for my email list and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye-bye.